Tesla China seems to rocking with the new Model Y. The new Model Y's ramp is resulting in a strong comeback for Tesla in China. This was highlighted by the momentum of Tesla's new vehicle registrations in the country. With the new Model Y now starting deliveries, Tesla China's year-to-date registrations appear to have surpassed the company's 2024 numbers in the same period. Tesla China registrations. During the week of March 17 to 23, Tesla China saw 17,400 new vehicle registrations, the highest this Q1 2025 so far. This represents a 13.7% increase from the previous week. With these results, industry watchers have noted that Tesla China's insurance registrations are now up 28.2% year-over-year. In China, 17 to 4K Tesla insurance registrations were reported for the week of March 17 to 23. The week is up 13.7% from last week and 28.2% year-over-year. The quarter is 34.5% QOQ and 0.6% YOY. Tesla China's new vehicle registrations have seen a notable rise this March as the company started deliveries of the new Model Y to domestic customers. In the week ending March 2, Tesla China saw 12,400 registrations. In the week ending March 9, the number rose to 13,800, and in the week ending March 16, registrations rose once more to 15,300 vehicles, overtaking Q1 2024. As per industry watchers, Tesla is estimated to have seen 116,200 new vehicle registrations in China as of the week ending March 23, 2025. In the same period in 2024, Tesla China was estimated to have seen 115,900 new vehicle registrations. And that's with the new Model Y having just a few weeks' worth of domestic deliveries. Tesla China insured units March 3 to 9, 13,800. March 10 to 16, 15,300. March 17 to 23, 17,400. Time for a comeback. The new Model Y has been making quite a big impact on China's domestic automotive market. Previous reports indicate that the revamped all-electric crossover completely dominated the premium all-electric SUV segment in China last week, with 9,451 sales, far ahead of the 1,390 units that were sold by its closest competitor. The Zeekr 7X, Tesla China, sold about 10,600 units of the new Model Y last week. It's interesting to see sales increase and stabilize. Tesla had previously sold the old Model Y at a weekly average of about 10,000 units as well. In the week ending March 23, 2025, estimates suggest that Tesla China saw 10,628 registrations for the new Model Y. Such numbers could result in the vehicle ranking very well in China's premium all-electric SUV segment once more. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.